Namaste. Today we will learn about squats, which are extremely effective in strengthening our core. But the only catch over here is that when we do these exercises, many of us land up hurting our lower back. So let's learn how to do these safely. First, to start with, we will go into the basic yoga squat, which is called Utkatasana, and we go into this like this. To start with, you have to take care that first you are in a proper Tadasana in which our toes are together and ankles are apart. Then from there, you take your hands up and come down into this chair pose where we're trying to make our thighs parallel to the floor and go down over there like that. A few tips over there. What you have to do to stay stable over here, maybe keep a smile on your face and breathe over here, stay over here, is draw in your lower abdomen, which is below the navel, inside to get that core strength, to get that core working. If you want to understand this more, refer to the first part of the core strength video. And then second tip is that if you take your attention into your toes, then maybe your toes want to come off the ground. So press your toes, balls of the feet into the ground to find more stability over there and stay. Then the next part, you want to be protecting your lower back. So from the squat, go down. Right from there, from the squat, always follow it by Uttanasana. Drop your head down so that you feel the weight of the gravity on your head. You can have like one straight line from your lower back to your head, and you can really relax your lower back if there was any stress that came into the lower back. Then you look front and then you slowly come up. Now the same squat but with feet hip distance apart. So there is one more variation of it, and the other variation of it is like this, that you take the feet hip distance apart, inhale, exhale, and take your hands up. When we take our hands up, draw your shoulders down so that your hands are not coming up like this, but you're working your shoulders down, drawing those shoulder blades down as well. So this is similar posture just with our feet and knees hip distance apart. After you experience this, again follow it by a forward bend. Relax your lower back. Let your head drop down. Feel the lower back relaxing, lengthening. Then to come out of that Uttanasana, take your hands onto the thighs, look forward, find your comfort, and then come up into standing. Next, we'll learn one more exercise to take our squats, and you will realize that again we are combining it with relaxing our lower back. So we'll start with this balance over here from the Tadasana. The moment we try and balance like this, I'm drawing my thigh close to my abdomen, and when I'm doing that, then I'm relaxing my lower back on that one side. Then you go down into the squat, stay in that squat. Again, take in your lower abdomen so that you can work from there. That's the core you're trying to activate. Below the navel, press it in. Then come on to the other side and then balance over there. Then again, go to that side, squat down, come on to that side and balance. And then take that exercise many a times, maybe watch it one more time. We start from here. You go into the squat, then you balance. You're relaxing your lower back over here. Then you go into the squat, and then you again come into the balance. And that's it on the squats for today. If you like this video, do click on the like button. For more such videos, do subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or thoughts, do write in the comment section below. Thank you.